Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Samina's channel. Today we're gonna learn about O sound. AU and AW both make O sound, like AU in autumn, August, cause, and AW like straw, so, law. But don't forget, in some words, AU can have different pronunciation, as in laugh. It makes a sound in laugh. And A as in gauge. In here, AU makes A sound, gauge. Let's do this exercise together. Claw, draw, pose, fold. Let's read. Drawing. Paul will draw a picture. He will draw a fawn. The fawn will be out on the lawn, eating grasses at dawn. Paul always liked to draw. He never wants to quit. He will draw all day long because he's good at it. Watch the video.
Paul will draw a picture. He will draw a fawn. The fawn will be out on the lawn eating grass at dawn. Paul always likes to draw. He never wants to quit. He will draw all day long because he's good at it.
See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.